So guys, I figured I'd just do an update. Got a new addition, I guess. That's one downfall. No more dirt bike. Instead, got a truck. I say it does suck without having a dirt bike, but I'll probably get another one sometime soon. Five-speed manual. Gotta love it. It's actually not that bad. Runs, drives good. A lot of fun. Well, that's it for this update. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get another dirt bike or not. It's the Can-Am. Probably gonna be getting another I'm gonna get another four-wheeler. But I might get another dirt bike. So still kind of debating on what I want to do. Let you know later.